Hello, and welcome to this video that will explain how to use the customer handoff within OLP Connect. Our handoff facility is a great aspect of our protection proposition, where you enable your clients to complete the medical questions online. Today, we will show you the agent and client journey through the handoff process to submit a successful application. In order to show you this facility, we will start with an application at the quote stage. To locate an application, select application number from the drop-down box and input the AN reference number into the search criteria. This has opened the application at the quote page. Handoff can be activated when you reach the GP details page, and the facility to enable it is located on the base of every online page until a decision is reached. We will progress through to the GP details. At the bottom of the GP consent page, you will see a line offering you the facility to allow your client to complete the application. It's on every page then going forward. When clicked, it expands, and you will be able to check the client's base contact details that can be used for them to log in. Click Hand over to your client. You will see an acknowledgement pop up which explains that we have sent them a link to log in, and you will not be able to access the question set for 24 hours. Close the warning and follow the guidance to save and exit correctly. As you exit the case, an email will be sent to your client. This provides direction on how to access the medical questions. This email is what your client receives. Today, we have a new client, so they will receive an activation code to register for a new account. If your client already has an account with Legal & General, they will receive direction to log into it using their existing details. The email link to create a new account will be valid for 72 hours. If your client does not use the link within this time frame, you will need to send a new one. When your client clicks the link, they will need to input the unique code and their date of birth. They will then be asked to input their email address, set up a unique ID, and password. The system will then send them an activation email as a final security step. This is the activation email your client will receive. It's confirmation that they're ready to activate their online account. They can click this link and they will receive confirmation their registration has been successful. Now they can log in. When your client inputs their details, they will be guided through to standard terms and conditions acceptance criteria. As this step is finalized, we are setting up a new My Account. Once your client has entered their My Account, you can see there is clear direction to complete the medical questions in the yellow box. All notifications are also shown linked to the bell at the top right-hand side too. Your client needs to go to their application. The medical questions will need completing. Please note that the clients are asked whether they give consent for you as the intermediary to view the answers. They are disclosing information direct to Legal & General, so we need your consent to permit you to view them. Whilst accessing the medical information can enable you to assist them with underwriting decisions, this functionality can be useful if your clients wish to keep their medical information private. You can see the clients have the facility to save and exit at every page. By clicking the Accept button, your client consents to Legal & General processing the lifestyle and health information provided. When your client clicks the Accept button, the application is handed back to the agent. If your email is stored in the Contact Preferences section on OLP Connect, you will receive a notification that the case has been handed back. You can then access the application via our Agent Hub and will arrive back at the quote page. As the agent, it is then your responsibility to finalise and submit the application. You will need to complete a direct debit, only when you press the Submit button will we receive your client's application. You will then be directed to a thank you screen which confirms your application has been submitted. At the bottom of this screen is a link back to the Agent Hub page. If you need further help with your client's application, click Help to launch the virtual assistant and live chat with our team. We hope you found this video useful.